Hello and welcome to another episode of Z Fixes Stuff. Now we see this AC remote. The light is on with the numbers, but we are away from the AC and the AC is off. So now we're going to remove the battery and see if the screen goes off. Take this out. Keep that away.
Can you explain why is it that you're fixing the remote?
So that the AC will be functional. There. Now we see that it's gone off. Now we have to open the remote and see if all the contacts are right. This is nicely sealed in. You have to go along this line and keep it as straight as possible because there are no screws for most remotes. So you've got to make sure that it unsnaps. This side. Now just try and loosen it up a bit. All right, folks, we're back, and I have managed to get all these snaps off because it's a snap fit on all remotes, right? So I will just carefully unravel. There we go. Now, as you can see, I'll just flip this over. You can see these contacts on both sides and the contact on this side, yeah. And you can see the motherboard. You can see all the little ICs. You can see the chip, the capacitor, and the little tiny screws holding it down. Now I want to get these buttons off, have them cleaned up, and then put it all back together and see if the batteries get proper contact, and then we shall see if the remote is properly functioning. All right, so now we shall use this teeny weeny flathead because I do not have a Phillips head that is this small at this point. So here goes. Yep, it's a good fit. Just to loosen it up. There. These Onida guys really know how to make a remote sturdy and water resistant and fall resistant. So now just get this. There we go. There. All four screws are loose. Now all we have to do is lift this off. There. I leave the screws in this same place so that the screws don't get mixed up. Okay, and now it turns out, hang on a second, Yep. There we go. Well, I didn't want the screws to fall out, but well, now we have some bloopers. All right, keep these screws in a safe place, like right there. There's my temporary screw holder. Here we can see there is some dirt. So we just clean this up. The motherboard itself looks perfectly clean because the rubbery bits of the remote was sitting nicely on it. Here you can see all the contacts at the back and the front. Now I'll just give this a quick rinse and be right back. Alright, now we have all our components all cleaned up. So all that's left to do now is we shall place them in the correct position. That's perfect. Now we shall put the motherboard back to its original place. There we go. That snaps in. There we go. Alright, now one teeny weeny screw at a time. There we go. We don't want to tighten them all the way down so that each one is tightened equally and it's even. Also, it's not good for the motherboard to have extremely tight screws. So here we go. Okay.
Was there any soldering required?
There was no soldering required.
So what do you think happened?
I think dirt has collected and now there is no more dirt and everything is clean. So hopefully all the contacts my big stubby fingers don't want a little screw to go. Alright. Come on, come on. Come on, there we go. Alright. There. You've got to figure out a way to do this. Alright. There. Alright. Now, last screw to go in. Don't worry folks, next time I will have a full kit ready for the correct screwdriver. But I am still waiting for Amazon to deliver it. Sometimes we just got to be patient. Okay. Which is why the damn screwdriver keeps slipping. Okay. There. Okay. And the last one. There we go. Now all we've got to do is carefully place the remote there. Snap it back There we go. Snap. Snap. Oh yes. 3 satisfying snaps. Alright. Now we see that it's properly sealed on all sides. Opening out this remote took a lot of prying. I'm very sorry, Mr. Remote. Alright. Now I just got to rub the batteries.
Why
Heat
does
up
it have
the
to be a Mr. Remote? Can't it be a Mr. or Mrs. or Miss? Sorry.
Yes, of course. Can be an he, she, they, it, us, we, all of them. Alright. Whatever remote you want to be. Do you identify as a remote? Alright. And we're back. Something is not right. But let us go and see. That's the fan.
Yay!
Turbo. Timer. I feel, I don't know what that is. X fan. Light. Alright. Temperature. Okay. Knock that off. Swing.
Does it switch on and off?
We shall do that now. First we need to see that it is swinging. The AC is dirty, it needs a service. Alright. Swing, swing, swing.
There's a self-cleaning thing as well, I believe.
Alright then. There we
Apart
go.
from the...
Then we got the mode. Okay. And then off. Ta-da! And all it took was a little cleaning. We fixed the remote.
So did you fix it?
That is what I just said.
You didn't say the keywords.
Z fixed it. Again.